Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Redmi 9A, and let me show you how to allow unknown sources on the following device. So all you have to do is find and select the settings. Then let's scroll down to the apps and here choose manage apps. From the list you have to choose the app you want to allow to download something, and it can be, for example, Mi Browser. Let's scroll down and install apps from unknown sources. Let's click on that. To allow it, simply click on the switcher. Now your device is warning you. We have to wait and accept the warning. Let's get back. And as you can see, now you can install apps from unknown sources in this device. So that's all. This is how you set and allow unknown sources in your Xiaomi Redmi 9A. And if you find this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.